Now we can actually deploy Hello World application to Android virtual device. In order to do that, first we're going to configure JDeveloper for Android platform. You only need to do this once. And then we're going to deploy Hello World application. Again, I open JDeveloper and I go to Tools menu, and here I click on Preferences. Inside Preferences, I open ADF Mobile, and here I have platforms. I'm going to select Android platform, and now I need to provide SDK location and Android platform location. For Android location, you need to remember where you actually extracted your Android SDK. In my example, it was in developer and then ADT bundle Mac, and here I find SDK. So this is my Android SDK. For Android platform location, again I go here to SDK folder, and here I find platforms, and I'm going to select Android 15. So this is version 4.03 of Android platform. I select this, and now I can click OK. My JDeveloper is configured to deploy for Android. Right now, your Android virtual device should still be running from the previous exercise. If it's not, return to that exercise and run it again. In my example, it's right here. So now we can finally deploy this Hello World application to Android Emulator. To do that, I'm going to click right here on Hello World application. So right here, but I right click this menu. And here I'll go to deploy and select Android Mobile Native Archive 1. In this section, I select Deploy Application to Emulator, click Next, and click Finish. And if everything is okay, your application should now start deploying to the emulator. To see the output, if it doesn't open automatically, go into View menu and open Log window. For some reason in my example it didn't show up. So right now I see that deployment is in progress, and it's going to take a while to actually deploy to the emulator. After about 2 minutes, my application is deployed to the emulator. Now I can open the emulator, and right here I have Hello World application. If you're on the home screen, you need to press on this icon here, and this will take you to Android applications, and here you should find Hello World application. So when I click it, it's going to load. Again, Android emulator is not really the fastest emulator around, so your application is going to run a bit slow. And once the application is loaded, you see your first ADF mobile application deployed to Android platform.